Let's take a look at a quick solution. So we're going to write out those two queries and then join the results together by using the union keyword. I'm going to first get started by finding the names of manufacturers of phones where the phone's price is less than $170. So for that, we can do a select manufacturer from phones where the price is less than 170. I'm then going to take all those rows and join them together with the results of another query by using the union keyword. So then our second query, we're going to once again select manufacturer from phones, but this time we're going to do a group by. We're going to group by the different manufacturers, and then we're going to apply a filter to those different groups by using that having keyword that we discussed a while ago. So we'll put in a having, and we want to find only the groups that have greater than 2 rows. And we can do that with a count star greater than 2 like so. And that should be it. Let's check our solution and see how we're doing. Now, I want you to note that this exercise here, if you had any trouble with it, totally fine. The real challenge was actually writing out the second query as opposed to making use of the union keyword or anything like that. Okay, looks like we got a good solution. Okay, quick pause here and continue in just a moment.